listened to a video I saw recently of an installer that was installing or using a local aluminum profile that was installing it in the wrong way. So this video is about making the right way to connect or install a local aluminum profile and how you can avoid damage or leakage into the roof of your clients. So first, you have your flash band have on the roof. Then you have your interlock aluminum profile. They will gently tap a hexagonal cell screw into the roof. This is a 5-inch hexagonal cell screw. Then you go on and now, as you can see, this is a very sturdy connection, right? This isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And lastly, you'd have to secure it in place with a silicone gel, and that would ensure that no rain would be able to penetrate into this roof. See? This is a clear silicone gel. You have that on both sides of this, so that when it rains, you wouldn't have that coming into this. Come closer. As you can see, this hole is well closed up and no water from this side or this side will be able to enter into this roof. This way, your roof is well secured, your flash band is in place, and you also have your silicone gel protecting from the upside, and this is well secured. And what's here, fine.